In 2024, the world witnessed a remarkable revolution in agriculture, known as the Ag-Tech Revolution. This revolution brought about a paradigm shift in the way we approach farming and food production. Embracing digital agriculture became the norm, and it transformed the industry in ways we could have never imagined. Digital agriculture, also known as precision agriculture, utilizes advanced technologies to optimize farming practices. It involves the integration of various tools such as sensors, drones, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics. These technologies work together to provide farmers with real-time data and insights, enabling them to make informed decisions and maximize their yields. One of the key aspects of the agtech revolution is the use of sensors. These tiny devices are placed in the soil to monitor moisture levels, nutrient content, and temperature. They provide farmers with accurate information about the conditions of their fields, allowing them to adjust irrigation and fertilization practices accordingly. This not only saves water and reduces environmental impact, but also ensures that crops receive the optimal amount of nutrients for healthy growth. Drones have also become an integral part of digital agriculture. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can capture detailed images of crops and identify potential issues such as pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies. Farmers can then take immediate action to mitigate these problems, preventing crop losses and increasing overall productivity. Artificial intelligence and big data analytics have revolutionized the way we analyze and interpret agricultural data. By processing vast amounts of information, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. This allows farmers to predict crop diseases, optimize planting schedules, and even forecast market demand. With this knowledge, farmers can make proactive decisions that maximize their profits and minimize risks. The ag tech revolution has not only transformed farming practices, but also opened up new opportunities for sustainable agriculture. Vertical farming, for example, has gained popularity in urban areas where land is scarce. By utilizing vertical space and employing hydroponic systems, farmers can grow crops in controlled environments, reducing water usage and eliminating the need for pesticides. In conclusion, the agtech revolution has brought about a new era in agriculture.